Is it time to buy or sell Wang and Lee Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Wang and Lee Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 24th of March, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 20th of March, 2025, our system has ranked Wang and Lee Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.66. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a loss of 86.02%. This translates to an average loss of 28.67% per day since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 25.74% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 25.74% and 1,505.51%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 174.87%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 174.87% and 3,306.36% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $2.06 and $25.58. Our latest daily update for Wang and Lee Group includes the headline: Significant movements in Wang and Lee Group Incorporated stock price on Monday, with fluctuations of 47.05% between high and low. The Wang and Lee Group Incorporated stock price experienced a decline of 85.48% on the last day, which was Monday, the 24th of March, 2025, dropping from $5.17 to 75 cents. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During the last trading day, the stock displayed a fluctuation of 47.05%, ranging from a low of 63 cents to a high of 93 cents. Over the last 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 of those days, resulting in an overall decline of 83.01% for that period. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day by 24 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could signal an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 25 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $18.43 million. In the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $9.53, while the lowest price reached 44 cents. Currently, the stock price stands at 92.12%, or $8.78, below the 52-week high of $9.53, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Wang and Lee Group Incorporated, ticker WLGS, is making headlines with significant developments that could affect its stock performance both in the short and long term. Today, WLGS announced that its Chief Executive Officer, Joe Ho, and NQ Marble's Director, Kim Cheng, will conduct an on-site inspection of a marble quarry in Australia linked to a substantial contract worth $71 million. This move highlights the company's strategy to diversify its revenue streams and reinforce its commitment to environmental, social, and governance standards. Additionally, WLGS has priced a registered direct offering, raising $12 million through the sale of over 3.5 million ordinary shares at $3.40 each, which can be seen as a signal of investor confidence and an attempt to bolster capital for its ambitious projects. In an innovative twist, the company has also established partnerships that weave together renewable energy, blockchain technology, and smart home solutions. Last week, WLGS introduced a cryptocurrency dividend strategy aimed at rewarding shareholders while simultaneously countering dishonest trading practices. As it continues to intertwine technology with green initiatives, including a collaboration with City University of Hong Kong for lithium-ion battery development, WLGS appears poised for growth. In the short term, such announcements can lead to increased interest and trading of WLGS stock, driven by investor optimism. In the long term, the company's focus on sustainable practices and innovation could significantly enhance its market position and provide it with robust revenue sources, indicating a potential upward trajectory for the stock price. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to the Wang & Lee Group stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as sell, while the price-to-book ratio is considered neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Wang & Lee Group. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near short-term development. The Wang & Lee Group Incorporated stock indicates sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, contributing to a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal is present as the long-term average is situated above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at levels of $4.24 and $5.68. A breakout above either of these thresholds will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 11, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 91.31%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, closer monitoring of the stock is advised. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 29 days ago. The short-term moving average has presented a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 20 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also reflects a sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 44 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Wang & Lee Group. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level. Given the right conditions, this stock could perform quite poorly in the coming days. The stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, exhibiting high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by nearly 0.3 dollars between its high and low points, representing a change of over 47%. In the past week, the daily average volatility has been approximately 21.5%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Wang & Lee Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Wang & Lee Group. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock could move upward swiftly if the conditions are favorable. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. Additionally, there is no substantial support from accumulated volume below, which suggests that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is currently no stop-loss set. Is Wang & Lee Group stock a good buy? The Wang & Lee Group Incorporated stock currently displays several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that Wang & Lee Group Incorporated will experience weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, our assessment of this stock remains negative. Upon reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, March 25th, we project that Wang & Lee Group will open higher by approximately 0.18 of a dollar and begin trading at about 769 hundredths of a dollar. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.